Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Nabi Love, and today y'all feeling the bob, blunt cut, whatever you want to call it, Bobbiana. Like, y'all playing with me. Y'all look cute, right? I know y'all feeling it. Before we get into the video, I know y'all see the outfit. Y'all see the shirt. Y'all already know. Twisted Saints from Aaliyah J's company. Y'all should know who that is already. But yes, I got this from her company. Sold out. Should have got it. Should have hopped on. Sorry, maybe next time. But I got this shirt, and then I also got this belt from Shein. It has little chains on it. It's like a fanny pack belt. And also I'm going to be uploading on Instagram. So yes, but these faux leather tights that I got, they're from Target. And then I also have some lace up heels. Like I said, I'm going to upload a picture on Instagram, so you guys should follow me on my Instagram. It will be linked down below, and I also will put it on the screen somewhere. But if you guys want to see how I achieved this blunt bob look, please stay tuned. You guys for all the support and love that you guys show me. Please continue to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Okay, I'm starting off by using bundles that I have already previously installed, and I just washed it with the silicone mix. So right here in this clip, I'm just pinning my closure. So what you want to do is just push it up a little bit above the cap and pin it. And while you're pinning the closure, you want to make sure you're getting it as flat as possible so your closure is not humpy. Or if you're making a frontal, same thing goes for that. I'm also pinning the whole closure, like the perimeter, so I will also be putting 2 pins in the back of the closure as well. After you pin your closure, you just want to thread your needle. You want to do about an arm's length, and then what you want to do is stick the needle through the closure and the mesh, and then part the string or the thread, whatever you want to call it, and just pull it through. Okay, this is how your closure should look after you sewed it down. And now I learned this method from this lady from Instagram. I'm not exactly sure her name, but I will link the video down below in my description box. So what you want to do is just get a tape measure and like a marker or eyeliner, and basically it helps you, like basically as a guideline for how far apart you want your tracks to lay. So about an inch apart. This is how it will look after you extend the lines. And basically what you want to do is just line the tracks up with the lines that you marked down, like I said, as your guide, and just sew it down as you did the closure. Y'all, so this is the almost finished product. Took a long time, but now we here, and now I'm about to cut it into a blunt cut. So please pray for me. I feel like it'll come out cute though. So I wanted to put it on my head to see how everything was positioned. Y'all sleep on Amazon. Buy this flat iron. I will link it down below. Like 2 passes and your hair is straight as hell, as you can see. But all right, let's see. So basically what I'm gonna do is just try to basically use the piece I cut as a guide. So start off short. I'm looking at my mirror, by the way, y'all. I'm trying to see. I can go shorter. Let's go right here. Well, that's how we looking right now. Okay, so now I'm just gonna use it as a guide to keep cutting. Okay, y'all. As you can see, I'm just lining it up. Here. I just want to talk now, but I ain't talking about nothing special. But like you see right here, I'm lining it up, and basically what you want to do is just cut straight as you possibly can, and then also bend your mannequin down because you want to get those little straight hairs that are like at the bottom that don't look good. So that's just how you do it, period. This is my second time making a wig.